So hello everybody, this question is based on box plot. So the question is saying the box plot shows a distribution of the lengths in centimeter of 60 full grown mice owned by a pet shop, and then we need to find the range. So let's find that and then read the other questions. So to find the range we need to find the endpoints of the box plot. So this point, this is 7.6, 7.62, 7.64, and then this is given as 7. So then the range would be 7.64 minus 7, and that is 0.64. So that's the answer, 0.64. And then we need to work out the number of mice that have a length of at least 7.2 centimeters. So you can see that. So this is the low quartile. So that means 25% of mice are less than 7.2 or less. So they are saying have a length of at least. So we need to find the mice that are greater than or equal to 7.2 centimeters. So hence we look at 7. So 25%. So 75% would be more than that. So that would be 75% of 60. That's the total number of mice. So that would be 0.75 times 60, and we get that as 345. That's the answer for this, 45. And then Sam owns 5 full-grown mice. Sam picks the third longest mouse and measures its length. He then looks at the box plot. So this is the box plot he looks at, and he says this mouse is 7.35 centimeters long. Therefore, the mice I own are longer than the full-grown mice owned by the pet shop. So something to support his answer, or support his conclusion, is the median. So the median length of the mice in the pet shop that is 7.2, 4, 6, 8, 7.8, 7.28, and then there's a 3. So that's 7.28. So the median length is less than the mouse that Sam owns. So we can say that the median length of mice in box plot is equal to 7.28 centimeter. This is less than the mouse he is holding, so probably he could be right, to support his conclusion. Shorter than the mouse length, shorter than the length of the mouse that Sam has. Something in these lines, that the length of the mouse that he has is, it's longer than the median length. So we can say that, yes, then we can say that the mice he has is longer than a full grown because the mouse, or that mouse could be the median mouse. So there could be the mice that are longer that are than 7.5. So so the median of the box plot, and this length is shorter and this than the mouse Sam has. So Sam's mouse could be the median length, so then that could support his statement. The second one is saying, give a mathematical reason why Sam's conclusion might be unreliable. It could be because we don't know the range. So this could be the longest mouse he has. We don't know the range. So um, the range of Sam's mice is not given. So because the range is not given, so we cannot be certain that what he's saying is right, that the mice he owns are longer. So if this is the 7.3 centimeter, could be the longest one he has, and the range of the box plot is the longest mouse in the box within, as per the box plot data, is 7.64, which is longer than 7.35, and so we can say that is greater than 7.35. So it's not that he is holding the longest mice. So then that completes. Is any other? No. So that completes this question on box plot.